Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's burning question: can you actually send money from Venmo to someone who doesn't have a Venmo account? Now, we all know Venmo is super popular for splitting bills, sending money to friends, and even tipping your favorite coffee shop. But what happens when you want to share the wealth with someone who's not on the Venmo train? Can you still get that cash flowing? Let's dive in and find out. Venmo is essentially a digital wallet. You link your bank account or debit card, and then you can easily send and receive money from friends and family. It's super convenient, especially for those impromptu let's grab dinner situations or splitting rent with roommates. But what if your grandma wants to send you some extra cash for your birthday, but she's not tech savvy enough to download an app? Or maybe you want to pay back that ride-sharing driver who doesn't use Venmo. Does this mean you're out of luck? Absolutely not. The short answer is, yes, you can absolutely send money from Venmo to someone who doesn't have an account. Now, how exactly do you do it? Bank transfers. This is the most straightforward method. When you go to send money on Venmo, you'll usually see an option to send to bank. You simply enter the recipient's bank account information, their account number and routing number, and Venmo will transfer the funds directly to their bank. Keep in mind that bank transfers usually take a few business days to process. Venmo debit card. If you have a Venmo debit card, you can use it to make purchases or withdraw cash from ATMs just like any other debit card. This is a great option for paying someone who doesn't use Venmo in person. Venmo credit card. Similar to the debit card, you can use your Venmo credit card for purchases. This gives you the added benefit of earning rewards points on your spending. While these methods are all viable, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. Bank transfers may sometimes incur fees, depending on your bank's policies. It's always a good idea to check with your bank beforehand to avoid any unexpected charges. Speed. Bank transfers can take a few business days to process, so they're not ideal for urgent payments. Security. Always double-check the bank account information before initiating a transfer to ensure the funds are going to the correct recipient. If you're looking for faster payment options for someone without Venmo. Peer-to-peer payment apps. Consider using other popular P2P payment apps like PayPal or Cash App. These apps often offer similar features to Venmo and may be more convenient for certain recipients. Traditional methods. Don't forget the old-school methods. Writing a check or sending a money order can still be reliable and effective. Provide tips and best practices. Verify information. Always double-check all account information before sending any money. Use strong passwords. Protect your Venmo account with a strong and unique password to prevent unauthorized access. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling two-factor authentication. Review transactions regularly. Regularly review your Venmo transaction history to ensure all transactions are accurate and authorized. Have you ever had trouble sending money to someone who doesn't use Venmo? What methods did you use? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.